Children, in this session, let us see the continuation of the last class. In sole proprietorship raise the capital through sole trader. Partnership firm also raise the capital through partners. Like that, in company also raise the capital through issue of shares to the public. In turn, public contribute the capital into the company in the form of purchasing the shares. The question is, what is meant by share? The capital required by the company is divided into small units called shares. So, by issue of shares to the public, the company can receive the amount from the public and undertake large scale production. While collecting the contribution from the public should not feel burdened to contribute the amount. So the company divide the needed capital into small units called shares and fix the least value for each unit of shares. So this facilitate even the people who have small amount can contribute the amount by purchasing the shares and become the shareholders of the company. Even the shepherd can be facilitated to buy the shares. For example, I will explain through example. A company needs rupees 20 lakhs. It decided to collect this 20 lakhs from the public. So it issues shares to the public and fix each unit of share value as rupees 10 means how many shares it will issue solution. So the capital of the company is divided into value of each unit. So 20 lakhs, the company needs 20 lakhs. Each unit value fixed as 10 rupees means how many shares it will have to issue. 20,000 shares it has to issue to collect the amount of 20 lakhs. Thus the company can issue 20,000 shares to the public and collect the required capital. So a person who have the money can purchase the shares. The person who have the money, a person can buy any number of shares. A person can buy any number of shares as per his desire. This remains the proverb: small drops of water makes the ocean big.